what is happening in the market. Stance is also very strong, crossed its all major barriers. How if the management stance changes? This is a stock which is on my radar. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. 𝐖𝐡𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀 and I'm a Savior Registered Research Analyst. Sometimes there are not good stars. Yesterday I made a video on RBL Bank and somehow it could not be edited yesterday, and finally we could manage to post it at about 3 o'clock. And today, if you have noticed, RBL Bank has given a move of almost like 20%. But anyway, we probably did not have this, in our, like, probably we don't have to trade. In fact, I was thinking the entire morning that I need to post this stock. It looks very promising and everything I thought about it. But somehow when I sat down, I just forgot about it. But anyway, next time. So, but still for the analysis purpose, you can definitely watch this video. So let me start with talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So first I'm going to take Nifty and I will be taking Nifty Cash to understand what is happening in Nifty Cash. And from there, we'll go on to figure out what is happening in the market. And Bank Nifty also we'll try to understand. So if I mark very important past resistance in Nifty, so the past important resistance is at about 17,793 in cash. And right now where Nifty stands is also a very strong resistance zone, which is 17,670. 17,670 is a strong resistance zone. So this could be probably a resistance which Nifty may experience. 17,690 or 17,700 you can say is a strong resistance zone. After that, in case Nifty is able to cross it, it's going to experience a resistance at about 17,973. So let's have a look at Bank Nifty also, and then we'll look at what is happening in the options. So this is how Bank Nifty looks. The closing of Bank Nifty has been much stronger as with respect to Nifty's closing. Have a look at Nifty, Bank Nifty. It has actually crossed its all major barriers. Now the next barrier that can appear in Bank Nifty is at about 39,400. That could be Bank Nifty's next barrier, maybe tomorrow or so. And the next barrier after that will be 39,750 and so like that. So what are the banks that supported today's move in the Nifty, Bank Nifty? So Bandhan Bank. Have a look at the move. RBL Bank, beautiful move. Bandhan Bank, IDFC First Bank, then Federal Bank. Then you can have a look at IndusInd Bank, beautiful move. IDFC, very nice move. And then what else could give a good move? In fact, PNB also was fine, not huge move, but definitely it was okay. But all the public sector banks like HDFC Bank or Axis Bank, ICICI Bank have not really given a huge support to Bank Nifty. But these small banks like RBL, Bandhan, IDFC First Bank, Federal Bank, all these 100 rupee stocks have really given a very good support to Bank Nifty. So let's have a look at the Bank Nifty's option chain also. If you notice in Bank Nifty's option chain, the resistance is only at 39,200. The huge resistance that could be expected is at about 39,200. And if I look at the support, there is a huge support that has been built at 39,000. So 39,000 is a strong support zone. Even 39,900, 38,900 is a good support. 39,000 is a good support. And 39,800 is a good support. So definitely these will become zero tomorrow because people have done a lot of put writing. As far as on the call side is concerned, the resistance appear to be coming up at 39,200. So 200 points range can be expected for Bank Nifty until you see some unwinding happening, right? In the dynamic market, you need to see if there is some unwinding happening. In case there is some unwinding, then you can expect a bigger move. So one question comes, like how do you see these big moves? I hope you all understand. These big move come only when the option writers start unwinding their position. For example, in RBL Bank. In RBL Bank, you see a huge move have come. That means all these option writers like 110, 120, 125, they must have already, exited their positions. So let's just have a look at that. What is happening in RBL? Here is RBL Bank. If you notice that all these positions, 110, 105, 100 and 100, all these places, call writers have exited. Whereas 120, some more call options have been added. So this is current month. Let's go to the next month and see what's happening. If I go to the next month, there is still, the call writers are pretty aggressive. That means there's a huge resistance to RBL Bank at about 120, which has been built today. All right. So RBL Bank definitely can be remaining range bound for some more time. And then if you see unwinding happening, then only further movement can be expected. All right. Now let's come to Nifty, Nifty's option chain, and see what is happening in Nifty's option chain. And this we are talking with respect to tomorrow's expiry. So if you notice in Nifty's option chain, there is huge call writing happening at the level of 17,600. So that means 17,600. If you see the biggest number closer here is 1,70,000. That means 17,600 is a very, very strong resistance to Nifty. So Nifty can experience a resistance at 17,600. The expiry, definitely could be around 17,600. It may go up and come down and stuff like that. But expiry looks to be close to at 17,600. Or in any case, it is definitely not going to cross 17,800. So those are the Nifty's levels. Now let's look into, I have some stocks on my radar for next few days. Okay, this video is going to be a very short video, but I would like you people to watch this video where I have done full analysis and I have told why the market looks, why this stock RBL Bank looks good. So even we miss the opportunity to enter into it, but you can definitely learn how, if the management stance changes, a total scenario about the stance of people also changes with it. So there are three stocks that I'm keeping on my radar for upcoming days. The first stock is KPIT Tech. This is a stock which is looking very, very good to me. Have a look at the price action. It has like, let me just draw it for you so that you can understand. There's one bottom, second bottom, third bottom, fourth bottom, fifth bottom, sixth, and now this is a very strong resistance zone. If it goes above 600, you will be able to see 700, 750, and 800 as well. So this stock is KPIT Tech. Have a look at the price action. It got stabilized here, then price shifted up, then shifted up, then shifted up, and there's a barrier at about 600. Let the barrier of 600 cross, and we will get a very, very, very good opportunity to enter into the stock. But even if you want to take an entry before that, you have a good entry at 575 for a target of 590 and 600 for sure. In intraday, these targets are also pretty good. So that's my first stock. The next stock that I have on my radar is Gujarat Alkali. So the fact here is that the stock is on a very, very strong resistance zone, right? This is a resistance which is 928, and stock has been consolidating. For a longer period of time, it is consolidating. That means crossing above 928 can lead it to 950, 975, and 1000. So this is a stock which is on my radar, which is Gujarat Alkali. The fact that it is consolidating for almost like 5-6 days, and if there are more volumes, a breakout happens with volumes, then we can expect a target of 950, 975, 1000, 1050, and 1045. These are the targets that we can definitely look into. One more stock that looks good to me is escorts. So escorts look good to me above, right here. Above 1780 is going to be our entry, and our target could be, short-term target could be 1800, 1825, 1850. Those could be our target for escorts. So only three stocks I'm giving you, and the live market you will get trades on my channel. Do join me on my Telegram channel, which is Stock Pro Official. And so this is my channel, Stock Pro Official. You can get the link of my channel in the description box. And also do join me for the live trading every single day. Today I have given a Bank Nifty call option. At first it hit the stop loss. After that it gave about 50 points, or I think, yeah, 50 point it gave. So do join me for the live trading every single day from 10 to 11. And yeah, in case you like the work that I do for you, please give a thumbs up and definitely watch this video for the learning purpose, because the opportunity has been lost. But definitely see it for the purpose of learning something in the stock market. With this, I'll be signing off, your host, Dr. Seema Jain, and see you tomorrow in the live market, live trading on my Telegram channel or in the live trading on YouTube. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.